living in California generally don't have to worry about any sort of estate tax anymore. There is something called an estate tax and there's something called an inheritance tax, and it's important to keep them different. But in California, for California residents, there is no inheritance tax. An inheritance tax is something that you would pay as the beneficiary. You receive $10, then you need to pay $3 of it back to the government. We don't have that in California. They definitely do have it in other states though. The estate tax is something that comes off the top of the estate and goes to the government before the beneficiaries ever receive their share. So that's an estate tax rather than an inheritance tax. In California, there is no estate tax either at the state level. There is a federal estate tax. However, it's so large now that it doesn't affect most people. Right now, you can have $5 million when you die and you won't pay any tax. If you're a married couple, you can have $10 million if you do things right and you won't pay an estate tax. So again, unless you have either $5 or to $10 million or more, you're not going to be worrying about any estate or inheritance tax. If you do have that kind of money, you need to be concerned and maybe do some pre-death planning to minimize or to get rid of completely, and that can be done in a variety of ways. You should meet with an estate tax specialist to discuss that and discuss your options.